Hi there. We are AI Explorer, an international award-winning AI platform for smart healthcare, smart manufacturing, smart city, and smart agriculture. Here, you will get the best of us. We will guide you from training, testing, and result demonstration. Now, we'll go for label by annotation. There are many annotation tools you can choose. For example, rectangle, circle, freehand, polygon, and arrow. You can keep click to draw continuously. Click on the wrench symbol to enter the annotation settings, and change the number of type to set the total number of categories. Click the palette to change the color of the category. Click Hide Label to hide text. Click on the trash can to remove the checked label. Enable Area Filter to display all labels in the boxed area. Next, we will learn about Label by Import from CSV. The following two label types can be imported via CSV file. You will need two CSV files to import labels. Now, you will learn more about rectangle. In the CSV files, you may find image name, category, the left top point, and width and height. Now, open the upload interface. Select the project you are going to upload to. This is the annotation upload area. Click Add Annotation and Definition to select files to upload. Then, select Annotation Type. Check the Merge to Users annotation to merge the annotations under the user. Click Start to start uploading. Click Projects to see the pictures. This right here is the annotation list. Choose the name as same as the file name. Next is Polygon. In the CSV, you will find image name, category, and continuous points. The first point and the last point are not necessarily to be the same position. Now, open the upload interface. Select the project you are going to upload to. This is the annotation upload area. Click Add Annotation and Definition to select files to upload. Then, select Annotation Type. Check the Merge to Users annotation to merge the annotations under the user. Click Start to start uploading. Click Projects to see the pictures. Choose the name as same as the file name. As the next step, you will learn how to train using our platform. After the labeling is complete, we can start training. Now, on the sidebar, there is a brain symbol that stands for AI. You can choose to train a single picture or train multiple pictures. Fill in the model name. Check the account, which has labels you need to train. Select the image to train. You can select the whole folder. You can also choose several pictures. Select the focus mode. The positive only train the labeled image area, and for all trains the entire picture area. Redefine the number of categories. Select default. Select the training mode. You can use normal training mode or the adaptive learning mode. Then select the init model. Please select the base model for adaptive learning to produce evolving AI. Then, select the iteration times. You can choose from 300,000 as the default up to 900,000 times. Speed mode also available. Or you can try LFOV mode, the enhanced model accuracy. Apply some data augmentation to make more robust AI. After completing the settings, you can press Confirm to start training. Move to the reverse circle symbol to display the training status. Well done. Now, we will go deeper for the evaluation for training data set. After the training is completed, we can analyze the training results. You can find it on the sidebar. Here, at AI Report. Now, select Task. Then, select the model. After that, select Evaluation Mode. Here, shows the result of the whole evaluation set. Here, shows the result of every picture. Click Download to get the analysis report. Finally, you will find the entire analysis result. And this is the result of single picture. At this point, you have already mastered the training of AI. It's time for you to learn the testing part. Starts with test. You can testing on current picture or multiple pictures. Now choose segmentation or classification task. Then, choose the model for testing. Ignore objects smaller than these pixels. Then select the contour course. You can choose LFOV mode. Select pictures you want to test. Or you can select the whole folder. You can also choose several pictures. After completing the settings, you can press Confirm to start testing. After the test is completed, you will be asked if you want to download the Quantitative Analysis report. Here is an example of result of single picture. Select the annotation, which is the same name as the model. Now, you can see the testing result. Enable Area Filter to display all labels in the boxed area. Click Display All to show all label. Enable Type Filter to display all labels for a specific category. Click Hide Label to hide text. You can save the results of AI or other users' annotations to another account. Can be carried out adaptive learning. Now, it is the time for you to learn about quantitative analysis. Here, at AI Report, select Quantitative. Then select Task. Then select Task. Next, select Model. Finally, the Display Quantitative report will show up. Check the data you want to download. Click here to select all. You can also select only a few. Click Download to get the analysis report. Here's the result. Keep it up. Now we will learn about evaluation for testing data set. Here, in AI Report, click Analysis to start setting. Check the account, which has labels you need to analysis. Select the model to be analyzed. Select the pictures to be analyzed. You can select the whole folder. You can also choose several pictures. After completing the settings, you can press Confirm to start analyzing. Analysis completed. Please refresh the page. Now, select Task. Next, select Model. After that, select Evaluation Mode. Here shows the result of the whole evaluation set. Here shows the result of every picture. Click Download to get the analysis report. Here's the entire analysis result. And this is the result of single picture. All done. Now, here's our result demonstration. This is the result for breast cancer. Get the best easy way for pathologists in order to identify breast cancer with many types of stain. and this is for lung cancer. Perform segmentation and quantification in just seconds. Our 3D platform has amazing accuracy for chest X-ray fast screening. For smart city application, this is the example for traffic analysis. This is the result of occluded object detection in manufacturing scenario. Product detection is also the one of many benefits from our platform in smart retail application.